Hello everybody and welcome to Datazar tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to add images to your content library. So without a further ado, let's just start. So if you do not know how to sign into your dashboard and register an account on Datazar Connect, make sure to watch one of our previous videos where we taught about how you can log into your dashboard. So to upload images to your content library, what you are going to be doing is that you need to head over to Content tab from the left side of your screen, and here you have this contents title. Here you can see we have already uploaded a logo that we discussed in one of our previous videos as well. So now in case you want to upload your own images, what you can do is click on this upload images option, and below here you can see we have choose files option, which will be enabling you to select a file from your local storage. Click on that, and here I have some pictures already ready to be uploaded on the side, so make sure to select all of these and click on open. And now you can see the preview of all the images is now available, and you can just select any of these images to be uploaded onto your site. So that's a pretty easy method to upload your images on your content library. You also have these various other options as well. So in my images you will be able to see all the images that you uploaded. You also have my files as well, and you also have free images from where you can just simply search and get your images, which is powered by Pixabay. So that's it for this video, and I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.